Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how to create snippets for Python in Visual Studio Code. So let's begin. First of all, you have to click on this gear icon, manage, and then click on user snippets. If you see a python.json file in here, click on it. If you don't see, find it in this list. It should be somewhere here. Yes, here it is. And yeah, here is the place where we will write the snippet. Let's just get rid of these lines of comments. Just make sure you don't erase these opening and closing braces, because we have to write the snippet inside these. So first thing, we have to enter double quotation, and inside the question goes the name of the snippet. So let's say print followed by colon and braces. Inside the braces we write three things: prefix, body, and description. So let's begin. Double quotation, inside it prefix, and separated by comma, then the body, again comma, and finally the description. Yes, so the prefix is the keyword that we will use to trigger the snippet. So let's say PR for print. And then the body, here goes the code that will later on expand once we type this PR and hit tab button on keyboard. So let's type the code. It will be print, parentheses and double quotations, and we have to insert backslash before these two double quotes so that it ignores them. And let's create a place for our cursor inside these quotation marks. So we can do that by using $sign and the 0. And the last thing, description. Let's say print snippet. Yeah, it looks good. Let's save it, Ctrl+S, and let's see if it works or not. PR, yes, you can see the snippet is now here. You see it says print. If we click on this arrow, we will see what it does. It will expand this code. So let's click on it. Yes, as you can see, it worked. So this is how you create snippets in Python. If it helped, please consider giving us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.